right, you guys, welcome back. Welcome back again. Welcome back with the counselor, Mr. James Hood on YouTube. Welcome back to my class. Today's lesson is going to be a lesson called the arithmetic lesson. The arithmetic lesson and how the arithmetic lesson adds up to everything in life, especially our relationships. The arithmetic lesson. So let's see how it goes. All right, I'm going to sit down for a minute. Okay, it says the arithmetic lesson. It says, many of us are not really good when it comes to solving math problems. When it comes to relationships, we are constantly adding or subtracting people in and out of our lives, right? Hoping to one day find Mr. or Mrs. Right to help us make our lives whole and complete. Message from the counselor, Mr. James Horton. 2 halves do not make a whole. 2 halves actually makes 1/4, right? Which is less than 1/2. So we just constantly are trying to add and subtract these people, man. We like, boom, if I get this person, if I get that person, that will fix this part. And if I get this kind of person, a person that's really good at mathematics, a person that's really good at paying bills, then everything will be all right. And we find that 2 halves don't make a whole, right? 2 halves do not make a whole. 2 halves actually makes 1/4. So that is less than 1/2. So we really want to make sure that we get our math together, because it's not as simple as we think. It's not as simple as taking a course, a math course, a geometry course, some kind of high-level math particular class, and everything's going to be all right. People are much different than that. We are much, much different, and we have to find out what is it going to take to find Mr. or Mrs. Right, right? What is it going to take for you to feel right? I believe that one of the things it's going to take to start off this thing is to get yourself together, get your math together, get everything that needs to be complete within you, because what happens in the long run and in the bigger picture is that you attract to you what you are. Right? So if you are all the things that you dislike in someone else, you'll find that you attract to you what you are. What you don't like about them is something that you really don't like about you. Right? So we have to measure that up and put that into a math equation and see how it goes. Okay, that's going to be it for yours truly, the counselor, Mr. James Horton. Subscribe to my class, right? Subscribe to my class and find what will be the right partner for you. All right? Thank y'all.